I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you. I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you. I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
And then I found me a lover who could play the bass. He's kinda quiet but his body ain't. Spent the days dreaming and the nights awake, doing things we know we shouldn't do.
I hate to tell you but it just won't happen. So thanks, but no, I think I'm good to go. Cause I quite enjoy the life you say I'm trapped in. Now I admire you, and that'll show you do. You're onto something, really it's something.
I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best ever.
And then I found me a lover who could play the bass. He's kinda quiet but his body ain't. Spent the days dreaming and the nights awake, doing things we know we shouldn't do.
So this filter turns anything green to purple. And since we have a very green backyard, I thought I would try it. Okay, here we go.
Honestly, these fidgets are really boring. There's a girl over there with a lot of good fidgets. I'm gonna see if I can scam her. Hi, would you like to trade for any of my fidgets?
Sure.
What would you give me for this dimple digits? By the way, this is really hard to find.
I'll give you 2 poppets and a stress ball.
Could you add?
Okay, I'll give you a DNA ball and a dimple.
I'm really sorry, but could you add more?
Fine, I'll give you 6 monkey noodles and 1 Orbeez food.
Could you add one more thing?
Fine, I'll add this wacky track.
I think she's getting kind of mad. I'm just going to accept it. Okay, deal. No trade backs.
What would you give me for 3 marble meshes and a dough ball?
I'll give you this limited edition mochi.
Deal.
I can't believe she fell for it. That mochi wasn't actually limited edition. What would you give me for this wacky track?
2 marble meshes and a fidget pad.
Can I also have that infinity cube?
I guess.
Okay, deal.
I hate to tell you but it just won't happen. So thanks, but no, I think I'm good to go. Cause I quite enjoy the life you say I'm trapped in. Now I admire you, and that'll show you do. You're onto something, really it's something.
Guess what, guys? I've got a surprise for you. But first, okay, had to get some bang energy in there. I finally got around to getting some new fidget toys. So today we're gonna look at them. The fidgets. First up, I got 2 of these DNA stress balls. Okay, I have a new favorite. These textured stress balls. Look at this. And I got not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 new dough balls because my kids always fight over them. I got another wacky track because they're awesome. I got one of these little balloony pets. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm gonna have to get more of you. And last but not least, my favorite thing of all, the rainbow poppet. Okay, you tell me, this is not satisfying.
My mom bought me a ton of fidgets because she thinks I am famous. How do I tell her?
My package came.
So if you didn't know, I ordered a fidget pack, and I think it comes with like 23 fidgets. There's probably going to be a couple parts. Let's open it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to open everything individually. Okay, so this is just like a little thank you card. Now let's open the fidgets. Okay, here is the first thing, and it's an infinity cube. This is a lot smaller than my infinity cube. Oh my gosh, I love it. I actually kind of like how small it is. Here's a size comparison. Everything is like in this bag besides the fidget pad, so I'll open that. The box is a little broken, but the fidget pad looks fine. Here is the fidget pad, and it is so good. It even comes with a strap. I love this fidget pad so much. Part 2 coming soon.
And then I found me a lover who could play the bass. He's kinda quiet, but his body ain't. Spent the days dreaming and the nights awake, doing things we know we shouldn't do.
This is how we got. This is how we got. Dreaming about a revolution in our minds. This is how we got. Talking about resolutions, getting high. We don't need a lot, and we don't care if we fuck it up. If it's what we got, then we're not giving. I'm on a sugar crash, I ain't gonna fucking cash. Maybe I should take a bath, cut my fucking brain in half. I'm not only just a bit tired of this fucking. Trade me on.
Okay. I'll offer you this.
You might have to add a little bit more.
A squishy romaine lettuce.
For this?
For the waffle.
Okay, deal.